Mothers, what special moment has forever strengthened the bond between you and your child? When my 2 sons were little, every night I would tuck them into bed, then put my hands on either side of their body, and move my hands up and down as fast as I could while singing, "You are as snug as a bug in a rug." They absolutely adored it. My kids are adults now, and the other night my oldest and I were chatting as he was in bed and I was at the door. He asked me to turn off his light, and I asked him if there was anything else I could do for him. He got this sly but slightly embarrassed grin, then asked me if I remembered the "Snug as a Bug in a Rug" song. I told him yes, and he asked me to do it one last time since he's moving out the next day. So I tucked him in, put my hands on either side, and started moving them while singing, "You are as snug as a bug in a rug." We couldn't stop laughing about it. He was so amused. He said there weren't many things about his childhood he missed, but that was one of them. My other son was also going to bed around this time, and since he heard us, he also asked me to do it to him. It really doesn't matter how old you are. You are never too old to be as snug as a bug in a rug.